Hi, Hildy, it's Colin. I think I can answer your questions best with just a quick video. In the first question here, changing the background, replacing the video. Actually, you need to do it in both in Theme Init and the Components.js. Theme Init, you already know it's right at the very bottom. This video ID right here, you also need to change it in the Components.js, and it's right about halfway down the page or so. And it's also the video ID right here at line 258. Now, the index 2 page, I believe, has a static image in the background. So what you would want to do for this is basically open up if you wanted to use an index page with a static background, you can actually, if you've already done the work to your index page, you can open this one up here. Just go to code, and there's a style sheet we're going to grab, which is this one right here. Index 2. Just copy that into your index page to start with. All right, step number 1, just copy the style sheet in to replace the existing index page like so. Oops. Anyways, copy this link in here and replace the existing index.css or add to it. All right, and then the next thing we need to do is just go down. I just want to see if there is a header, background, cover. No, that should be about the same then for the rest of the pages there. Yeah, so index 2 is a little different. It's a header, and then we have the background cover, and then the header inner. So basically what you want to do is grab the header right here, right? See the click on the header class header? Just grab this entire thing here, copy it, go to your index page, remove this background from body 2, and where the header is right here, right click, and what you're going to do is basically just replace it with the header from the index 2. A little bit on a couple of steps to go through, but there it is. Checking responsive, but I look to see it, the site moves to the right if I touch my phone screen in that direction. The thing is about it's actually to do with the meta tag. It was designed that way because we do not, in the meta tag, restrict the movement of the page. Let me just find it here. I'll add this to the ticket, and you can either just put this in the page itself, like somewhere right down here in the font loader, or you can use the DWT here to update it. But I believe it might be this meta tag you're looking for here, where basically you're adding the user scalable no and maximum scale 1. So that sort of locks the screen into place and doesn't allow for it to be moved and jiggled around. Some people prefer it. The default mode is always just the initial scale 1 max device width, and then you can add more options to it from there.